Good evening, folks. Wanted to talk to you a little bit about the trading results. It's been a long while since we've been able to put these up. Just lots of things, lots of growth action going, and really have been focused on trading. And finally, we've got some of the data up for us. So let's get in with that. We've got October's silver results in October were very, very nice. We traded a lot, 37 winners. 8 losing segments. The biggest winner, 133.3. Average winner, 43.6. Again, another great month. Biggest silver loser, -41. And average silver loser, -27. Let's take a look at the actual trades. This top line is the day that I suggested them. This line here is the day that we execute the trade. And this is the time that we execute the trade, and this is the price that the trade is executed at. For those of us just looking at these for the first time, if you see something that says a trailing stop, it means we've put it into most of its targets. It's doing very well, or it's tightening up and we want to take some profit. Very, very good when that happens. Usually pulls up some really nice things. Notice for the things that we did lose on, a number of them were smaller, of course, but you can sometimes see that happening when it comes into a target that it should blow by and it doesn't, and we close it for a small percentage amount. That's as we walk through these steps. If we see it losing steam, we can do that. And this is what we did. Now you'll see a lot for blog posts that will say, hey, listen, we need to get in here or we need to get out here. I try to keep you up to speed on everything that I am doing. And so we had Green Mountain Coffee Roasters give us something and then take some back. Teva was tough on us, and Jazz was tough on us on the latter part of the month. A lot of these trades we really had to have patience through, right? And a number of them went straight into target without even having to adjust the stop. The red numbers are the adjusted stops. Good shape for these trades. They did really, really well. Notice how they work. Below a particular level if you want to be conservative, below another level if it's long, of course, long puts or a short trade at the rejection of a certain level. If you're the type of person that does not enjoy taking the short side of situations, you can just look for the long trades and take those. Here's the beginning of the month. Again, some of these are suggested in September but don't actually get executed until the trigger point, and we've got those trigger points up there. You can set your alerts and they move in that shape. Chihu gave us a tough run this month in October, just reversed on us pretty quickly. So 3 of the 5 trades that went bad on us totally, Chihu was sitting in there. Facebook also got us stopped out. And these were also stopped out. But again, you can see some great returns. Jazz is the one that gave us our biggest winner. Jazz was superb. Jazz continues to run, actually. It's in very, very good shape as a stock. Most of the pharmaceuticals are. Let's take a look at gold. Also a tremendous win rate. Didn't trade as many segments, but quite a few. Didn't lose as many segments either. Biggest winner, 160%. Average winner, 37. Biggest loser, -48. Average loser, -23. Let's see how that got broken down. Again, a lot of trades in October. We were quite aggressive. We got stopped out in 3 spaces here very quickly to about 20%. That was a good holding average of a loss for the stops. The wicks were not particularly long in October, and so that gave us a little bit of room. Our trades were really around, a lot of them in the 20% range. We have a few bare minimums that barely took care of commissions, really. This one here, particularly DPS. And then some of them, nice tidy winners, 154%. 64%, 160%, 130%. A lot of them giving us really nice runs. That's really what happens when you take trades. Sometimes they just run and we just have to leave them in order to do what it is that they do. Again, these are the guys that give us our outsized gains for the month. And again, Yahoo, 152, 153, a lot of really nice winners. Stopped out of the AIG event in two different spaces. We had theta erosion really trouble us right here as we were close to the expiration space and a little bit out of the money, as I remember there. But again, some marginal gains and then some pretty active gains. We are just trying to get in, actively move well, and then get out. And so that really is all of October.